Welcome to News for You. With a test to positive ratio of around 35% against a prescribed average of 10%, it is clear that not enough people are being tested in Vasai Virar region, which is also one of the reasons for rapid rise in number of cases. The situation is worrying because people have started believing that they have become immune to the virus, hence are not taking the required precautions. A milk dairy in 100 Feet Road has been serving customers without the employees wearing masks. Yet no one seems to have an issue. Customers are least bothered, so are the authorities. If a positive person visits the shop, since the employees in the shop are not wearing masks, chances are everyone at the shop will get infected, and then almost all customers who visit the shop will also get infected. Today, this is just a scenario. However, it will become a reality sooner than later because of the careless attitude of citizens of Vasai. We at News for You would request everyone, please do not step out without wearing a mask and do not interact with anyone who's not wearing a mask. If an employee at the shop is not wearing a mask while attending to you, do not shop over there. COVID-19 update for Friday 12 June. Vasai Virar region reported a record number of 142 new cases, taking the total number of cases to 1701. Palghar district is number 5 in terms of highest number of cases in Maharashtra with 2053 cases. Mumbai reported 1,366 new cases, taking the total number of cases to 55,451. 3,493 new cases were reported in Maharashtra, taking the total number of cases to 1,01,141. 11,458 new cases were reported in India, taking the total number of cases to 3,08,993. Thanks for watching. Samir Aluwalia reporting for News for You.